Howdy everyone, it's Megan with Alder and Nance, and I wanted to do a little midweek update on the Landis Bodice. As you can see, I've actually finished the bodice except for the back. Can I turn it around? So, like I said, I was going to be doing a corset back on the back of this for Skyler, but otherwise, as soon as I get the skirt actually sewn in and attached to the bodice, I'll start working on the corset back. So we have gone ahead and I've completely finished the bodice. It's done. So I get to be a floor troll today because I've got to work on the circle skirt. And I apologize, my teeth are really bothering me again. As you can see, I feel a lot better. I've got my teeth in, I've got my hair and makeup done. I'm actually dressed kind of nice. But I'm gonna start working on actually extending the circle skirt by Charm Patterns today into a floor length gown for Skyler. So I've got my brown paper that I'm gonna be working with, and I'm gonna extend it about 10 to 12 inches. And then when she gets home, I'll try it up against her because it came down to about mid-calf whenever I had the paper up against her. So I want to have enough fabric that it actually reaches the ground. She's going to be wearing her work boots underneath it, apparently. That's what she said she wanted to do. So let's see how that looks. And hopefully this video will be coming out Sunday instead of Saturday because I do want to take her out to one of the parks local here and get some photos. Hopefully I am done by Saturday. Enough where I could actually get photos so we can send it to the school to find out if I'm going to need to do a little lace piece that goes across here to kind of hide her cleavage. She bought her ticket today and we had a little QR code and it talked about not being too low cut. So I don't know if they're going to think this is too low cut on her or if she's going to get in trouble for the amount of cleavage that shows, because a little bit of cleavage does show with this dress. I've got the boning installed on it, and what I've done is, like the front, I went ahead and do 2 pieces here and then just one on the princess seams on the sides. I didn't think she needed a lot of extra boning through here after actually seeing this put together because this is actually really sturdy. The red fabric does have a little bit of stretch, but I did use my lining fabric here and I did go ahead and put interfacing on it to strengthen it just a little bit. The lining I have is very lightweight lining. It'll be perfect for the skirt, but I don't know how it was going to hold up here, so I did go ahead and interface it. I struggled with that because it's very polyester. It's not a real good quality lining, but we'll just go from there. All right, guys, I will see you on Saturday. Bye.